Hello friends, if you understand this concept, then you will never fail in affiliate marketing. So as you can see, I have drawn a picture and it is you, and this is your affiliate marketing business. Now what most people do is they directly want to make a successful affiliate marketing business, which is an absolutely wrong approach, and it will make you fail. Now think as your affiliate marketing business as a home, and now you need to build this house. Now how will you do that? You'll directly go and start to build the house. If you did so, then what happens? You will fail. Now what can be the right approach? Let's think about it. So in first place, you need to become a contractor. Now how will you become a contractor? For that you need proper training. Okay, so if you get proper training, then you can become a contractor. And once you become a contractor, then you can find the proper resources that are bricks, plasters, and many more things. Like you can search for people who will follow your instruction to build this house. Similarly, in affiliate marketing, this is you and this is your affiliate marketing business. You should first get some proper training, and then you will become a contractor in building your affiliate marketing business. And after that, you will also have a proper idea on what resources you need to build this affiliate marketing business. Once that happens, then you can start to build house. And what happens once you start to build house or your affiliate marketing business in this way? Then you will be in a state of success. I hope that makes sense. So this contractor resources phase, you can only properly trace out these things once you get proper training. Okay, now you can get any training. If you don't want to follow my words, that's fine, it's up to you. But you need to get training. Most affiliate marketers are failing because they do not have a proper training. They don't understand the whole concept of affiliate marketing. That's why they are failing consistently. Now once you get training, then you will understand the core concept on how to build a sustainable affiliate marketing business that will help you to earn consistent income on a regular basis. Now what may be the resources in the affiliate marketing? So that can be freelancers who can do some works that you don't know, and you can build some awesome funnels, landing page, squeeze page to attract people to attract your traffic to that page first and then to the affiliate offer, and at the same time you can use another resources of email marketing. Also you will be utilizing the resources that are paid ads or free traffic, and you'll understand all these things once, and then you can go to build your affiliate marketing business, and that will give you success. Now if you ask me which training would be appropriate for either you are a beginner or intermediate or a advanced affiliate marketer, for all of these three affiliate marketer, I can suggest one training, and that training would be OFA challenge. That is that is a signature program of ClickFunnels. This training is made for literally everyone, for every businesses. Now no matter if you want to affiliate marketing or any other your own, if you want to sell your own product using funnels, then you can get this OFA challenge. And in here this OFA challenge is divided into 4 parts. It is a 30-day training that will be divided into 4 weeks. In first week you learn about the belief and basic system. In second week you learn about the offer creation. See, product is one thing, either it is your own product or affiliate product, but creating an offer in that product is another thing. So you will learn offer creation. In third week you will learn to build funnels, where you will be presenting your product and offer at the same place with attractive sales message. And in fourth week you learn about traffic. Now that could be free traffic or that could be paid traffic that you learn inside one funnel away challenge. So guys, I hope you have had a little bit understanding on how you can become a successful affiliate marketer. And if you want to join one funnel away challenge, I'll leave the link in the description of this video. You can go and check, and don't think much, this challenge is absolutely rocking. You'll love it. So if you like this video, please do like this video, and don't forget to ask if there is any question in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer you. Take care. Bye bye.